Hey, what's going on? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this vintage Sony 5-disc CD player to show you. The model number of it is CDP-C301M. But before we get into it, did you know that you used to be able to get a CD changer for your car that had up to a 12-disc capacity? Yeah, they were pretty cool. They used to make those, but now they don't. If you want to find one, you have to get it used usually. But let's go ahead and talk about this. On the rear panel, you have your audio output right here, and then nothing else. Pretty basic. And this particular one was actually manufactured all the way back in December of 1990. To connect it, you'll just connect your audio cable, match up the colors, and then your power cable will need to be plugged in, of course, as well. And then once you've got all of that connected, you can go ahead and insert a CD. Also, this device has a remoteless operation. You don't use a remote with it, and it doesn't come with one. There's no remote sensor on it, so if you want to use one, you can't. And on the front panel, you have a power button, a timer button. If you want to turn on the timer, you can. You can switch the displays and display the time differently with the time button. With the repeat button, you can play it on repeat continuously. You have a time fade button right here. And then continue, shuffle, and program play. You can skip backwards, skip forwards, or you can hold it and it'll go through the track fast. And then you have a play and pause button, stop button, open close button, and then a disc skip button. And then it also features 4 times oversampling digital filter and dual DA converter system. That's pretty much all there is for this Sony 5-disc CD player. It's very vintage, but if you want to order one, you can give us a call or check out our online store.